Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you another tool that we can use to develop with AI. This one's a little more advanced. It's what I use to develop the website for chattysun.com. It's one of the tools that I use, and it's called Aider. Aider is a command line AI developer. It's like an automated software engineer, and you can give it instructions like you see in this GIF here. Here's the installation instructions. It's installed like a Python package, so I'm not going to cover installing Python packages, but that's how it's installed. I've also gone ahead and cloned the ChattySun website from GitHub, and so I'm going to run a little HTTP server so I can see it locally, like this. So now it'll be visible on port 8000, and this is just the local version of the ChattySun website running. So what I want to do, the change that I want to make, this is making changes to an existing project, and the change that I want to make is to add a video to this website. When you come to the website, you should be able to watch a video about what the product is, what it does, and so on. So here's a video. It's just the instructions for adding ChattySun to your website. So I'll copy the link to that. And now that I've got that link, I could just, I could put it in the HTML. I can make these changes, but what I want to do is I want to use Aider. I want to do this with AI and have it make the change for me. So let's check the Aider instructions. Before you start with Aider, you need to provide an API key from either Claude or ChatGPT. And I'm going to use ChatGPT, so that's export the environment variable with the API key. Of course, I'm not gonna show you here, but that's how that goes. That's what that looks like. You just do export that, and then you can proceed to launch Aider. And I know that I want to edit index.html. So when you launch Aider, you launch it by telling it the files that you want it to modify, because it's not going to automatically load your entire project into the context. It's going to load specific files that you tell it to modify. So we'll load any files that we want to modify and any files that you think might be necessary, like for information to make the changes. Stuff like headers or APIs or libraries that you want to use, you might want to import the source of those. For now, this is all we need. We need the HTML and CSS. The first time you run it, it'll ask you this question. So yeah, now we're launched, and we just have what looks like a command prompt, but this is an AI command prompt. So you can give it instructions in English, and it will figure out how to make the changes that you want. Looking again at the website, right? I've got the website looking like this, and we've got these sections here. We've got the Find Out More section, the pricing section, these bullet point sections, and the main hero. And I want to add this video. I've got a link to the video. I'll copy that link again, and I'm going to give the video itself a whole section. Where should this go? Where should this go? Let's put it right above Find Out More. And I'm just going to mention that we've got this alternating pattern of the background colors, and when we add a new section, we should make sure and preserve that pattern. I don't know what Playwright has got to do with any of this, but sure. Okay, so it went ahead and did some code. That's the diff. That's the code that this AI just wrote based on my instructions. And let's see what that looks like. Cool. Yep. And we've still got these. We messed up the alternating colors, because now we've got two sections that are the same color. And there's no header. Let's see. Okay, cool, 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 cool. And yeah, I want these colors to alternate. Cool. Yeah, so now we've added that little bit of subtle gray background to this section, so it's visually separated from the see how easy it is section and the find out more section. And the patterns stays consistent down the page. Just give it a little check on tablet. Check the mobile view. Looking good. So yeah, that's Aider. That's pretty cool. And I want to show you something else real quick. That what Aider does is it's making these changes as it goes, and it's committing all these feet. Every time I make a request in Aider, it makes a new commit. So if you need to rewind any changes that you've made, it's never going to mess up your whole code base because it uses version control the whole time to keep track of all the changes that it makes. And this is hosted on GitHub Pages, the same as I've shown in my other videos. So now that I've used Aider to make these changes to the website, I can go ahead and just push it up and it'll be deployed to chattysun.com. So feel free to go ahead and check out chattysun.com, ask the AI some questions, ask about how you can use ChattySun to get an AI in your business. And if you found this video interesting or found it informative, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you'll get more information like this going forward. Thanks.